Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna make use of my remaining kingfish that I didn't use last time. So I'm gonna do a improvised escabeche. So it means fish with tomato sauce. So I don't have the ingredients for escabeche, but it's gonna be a modified ones, and then I'm just gonna use like a similar ingredients that I do have for the ingredients. So first would be I have to pan fry the kingfish. Make sure it's kind of like dark, becomes dark. Again, every fish is different, so this one I just need to make sure that the meat of the fish is kind of like 3/4 cooked. It's not really fully cooked, but it's cooked enough. So I need to be careful not really destroying the fish. Yeah, and then kind of flip it, and then once it's kind of like almost cooked, I'm just gonna put it on the side for a bit. So this one's gonna golden brown, so that would be cute. Guys, so I'm just gonna be putting up to be set aside. And set aside the fish. Now I'm gonna do the stir fry. Not really stir fry, saute a vegetable that I have. So I have the green beans left, and also carrots from last time. So I'm just gonna use it again. I didn't really want to add too much, this is a small frying pan, so I can't really like overload it, and I only have one fish. So add both of them, kind of like stir fry a bit. I'm gonna add some water, and then also flour. This escabeche is kind of like it has a sauce a bit of tomato sauce. So I'm just gonna mix up all of it. I'm gonna lower the heat of it. It's kind of like, the smoke is kind of like strong. I'm gonna add the sauce and some spices like ginger. It's probably better if you actually have the ginger to use, and then green and red bell pepper too, but I don't have it. And because I'm Filipino, I'm gonna add ketchup. Alright. Also a pinch of brown sugar. Yeah, all I did was, I know some people want to get like actual accurate measurement. For me, I just want to estimate this one. Because again, I'm only using one fish, and I do have a different set of tools. So whatever worked for other people might not work on this set. So I'm just gonna estimate. So I'm gonna add the fish again. Kind of try to cover it so that the sauce will kind of like sip in and kind of get absorbed by the fish. And I'm just gonna flip it on so that both sides will be covered, or at least like exposed to the tomato sauce. It's almost cooked though, but I'm just trying to like make sure that the fish is well sauced. Alright, I think it's good enough. I'm gonna put it on the plate and serve. I'm just gonna make it look fancy. Again, just put the vegetables on the side. I don't have any garnish, but I think the carrots and the green beans already, like, it's good enough for this one. Yeah, it looks really good though. Alright, thank you guys for watching.